Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best organic barley grass powder that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pure Synergy USDA Organic Barley Grass Juice Powder. The mentioning of Pure Synergy is definitely a good this. This company produces one of the top most rated foods. Many fruits and vegetables lack chlorophyll, which is very important. However, one need not worry because this product caters for that. Along with other ingredients, chlorophyll present in this makes it a good source of protein. Furthermore, this powder produces a sweet juice that cleanses the toxic materials from one's body. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Vimergy USDA Organic Barley Grass Juice Powder. This product from Vimergy tops our list. The main reason being the quality of the brand. The main function of the product is the healing process. Anyone with serious health issues is recommended to take this. Apart from being a natural medicine, this product can be easily added to other drinks besides water and still work the same. Moreover, it has a special offer. One saves 10% for each 2-pack or 4-pack bought. The product comes in a great quality. To add on this, it has been on the market for a very long period of time. This makes it even more efficient and trustworthy. At number 3, we have the Micro Ingredients Pure USDA Organic Barley Grass Powder. Another recommended brand comes from Micro Ingredients. This brand is also very useful and of good quality. The products used are purely organic and organic additive-free. Most manufacturers tend to use preservatives in their products. The absence of such in this product has made it have a great taste. It has also enabled the good quality of the product. At number 2, we have the YH International Premium Dr. Hagiwara's Organic Barley Grass. In this review, this product has been proven to be very healthy. This product is suitable for cold drinks. This is because it has active enzymes that can be ruined by heat. Have you ever heard of products that retain their quality longer? If not, this is one of them. Being in the market for a long period, the brand has still managed to maintain its good quality. This being one of the best brands we have, it is highly nutritious. You can use this brand to replace your vegetables. This is because it even contains a lot more than the greens bought as vegetables. And finally, at number 1, we have the Organic Barley Grass Powder by Natural Nutra. Many people these days do not want to see themselves aging. In order to ensure one maintains themselves despite their age, this product provides one with anti-aging benefits. When you make this product your choice, you will enjoy health benefits. This product from Natural Nutra increases natural energy production. The brand also improves the digestion and detoxifies the body. Apart from that, it is a certified product, vegan-friendly and raw. To add on this, the grass powder is registered with Natural Products Association. This indicates that it is purely natural and safe for consumers. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.